Hello, Dr. Jide from Advantage Tutoring. Welcome to day 8 of SAT Math Prep. Today's question is, what's the coefficient of x squared when 6x squared minus 2 over 5x plus 1 is multiplied by 10x plus 1 over 3? And the options are -4, -2, 2, and 4. All right, so let's go ahead. It says we multiply 6x squared -2 over 5x plus 1 by 10x plus 1 over 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and expand this, right? So using the FOIL method, right? So 6x squared 10x plus 1 over 3 -2 over 5x 10x plus 1 over 3 plus 1 10x plus 1 over 3. Remember the question, what's the coefficient of x squared? That means the number in front of x squared. All right, so 6 times 10 is 60. X squared times x is x cubed, right? Plus 6 times 1 over 3. 3 goes in 6, you have 2x squared. Now, negative 2 over 5x times 10x. So 5 goes in here. Let's do this. 2. Then we get 1, 2 here. So 2 times 2 is what? 4x squared. X times x is what? X squared, right? Then 2 over 5 times, so that becomes -2 over 15x plus 10x plus 1/3. Now remember, we're looking for the coefficient of what? X squared. All right, so what's the coefficient of x squared? 2 plus 2 minus 4, -2x squared. I don't need anything with this one. I just want this one because that's what the question asks, -2. So the coefficient of x squared is what? -2, and that's B. All right, so expand. How did we solve this? We just expanded the equation and found the coefficient of x squared. All right, make sure you follow the signs. All right, positive times negative, negative times positive. Make sure your signs are correct. All right, and that's how you get this question. Thank you so much for joining me on day 8. I'll see you in day 9. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have a question, you can leave a comment. You can leave a comment or you can send me an email. My email is in the description. Let me know your questions or your feedback. Thank you and see you in day 9.